You check your account. $1,247. The rent cleared yesterday. Every dollar is already assigned before it arrives. You're not losing, you're just not accumulating. That's the difference most people never learn. A $400 car repair isn't an inconvenience at this level, it's a crisis. You put it on the card. The interest costs $9. Money isn't a tool here. It's an emotion you carry into every decision you make. Then something shifts. You open a savings account on a Tuesday night. Transfer $50. It feels strange, almost wasteful, but you do it again after the next paycheck. Then again. 3 months later, the balance reads $600. You check it twice to be sure. The first $1,000 isn't about the money. It's proof you can hold capital instead of bleeding it. That distinction changes everything about how you operate. You hit $4,200 in savings. A flat tire costs $220. For the first time, you pay it from checking. Savings don't move. You check the balance after. Still $4,200, untouched. That buffer changes how you show up at work, in conversations, in every negotiation you enter. Your income rises $400 a month. The default is to spend it. You know that. So you set up the auto transfer before you can talk yourself out of it. You're building something invisible. Nobody around you sees it yet. At $31,000, money stops being an emergency. It becomes a tool. That's a different relationship entirely. Your portfolio generates $1,450 annually without you touching it. Income from capital, not from your body. You understand now why wealthy people talk differently about money. You cross $74,000. The Roth IRA maxes before January ends. The 401k captures the full match. The brokerage auto-invests $1,200 monthly. It runs for 2 years without interruption. The portfolio drops $11,000 in 6 weeks. You watch it fall. You don't touch it. The auto-invest runs anyway, buying more shares at the bottom. At $210,000, the number has its own momentum. Last year, your portfolio returned $14,300. You didn't work a single extra hour. That's 6 weeks of salary produced by capital, not labor. You stop thinking about saving money. You start thinking about deploying capital. The language has changed. You hit $740,000. The math says you don't need to add another dollar. Compound growth carries it from here. You could coast. You don't, but knowing you could changes everything about how you show up to work. Then $1.4 million. You wake up without an alarm for the first time in 11 years. The portfolio generates $70,000 annually at a 5% withdrawal rate. Your labor is now entirely optional. That sentence took 12 years to earn. Somewhere right now, someone opens a savings account for the first time. They transfer $50. They stare at the balance like it might disappear. They check it 3 times. It still reads $50. They think this is about having enough money to stop worrying. They don't know yet what it will actually become, but they will.